Continuation of the definition of secularism. The New International Dictionary defines secularism as a way of life based on the principle that religion and its values should not interfere in governance. Secularism represents a type of social system in the realm of ethics, which aims to establish behavioral and moral values based on contemporary norms and social coexistence, rather than on religion and its teachings. A common definition among Muslims. Among many contemporary Muslim writers and thinkers, secularism is often understood as the separation of religion from politics and governance. While this definition captures part of the concept, it does not fully reflect the deeper meaning and broader implications of secularism. In reality, secularism extends beyond the political realm and influences individual beliefs, behaviors, and lifestyles, even those unrelated to government structures. Therefore, from an Islamic perspective, a more accurate definition would be the separation of religion from all aspects of life. This better reflects the core aim of the secularist movement, to exclude religion not only from politics but also from ethics, education, economics, culture, and personal conduct. Based on the definitions discussed above, it is clear that secularism seeks a comprehensive transformation of human life. It promotes a worldview that attempts to redefine values, norms, and behaviors in all areas, religious, ethical, social, economic, and beyond, without reference to religious teachings.